Hi guys, my name is Tito. I make videos on personal finance, saving and investing every Wednesday. And in this video, I want to talk about the benefits of cryptocurrencies. Now, without getting too technical about it, basically cryptocurrency is a digital means for paying for goods and services, both online and offline. If you want a more detailed definition of cryptocurrency, just check the description box underneath this video. I've put a detailed definition down there. Now, while cryptocurrencies are known to be a bit unstable because they increase and decrease quite a bit, they're still very beneficial when it comes to using them to pay for goods and services, both online and offline, like I said. And it's those benefits that I want to highlight in this video today. Now, before we dive into it though, please do me a small favor and like this video by clicking on the like button. I would really appreciate it, and it would really help this video to perform better, and by putting it in front of other people who will benefit from the video as well. And if you're into videos like this, videos on personal finance, saving and investing, then please feel free to subscribe by clicking on the red subscribe button as well. All that said and done, hopefully you've done it. Now let's talk about the advantages of cryptocurrency.
Lower transaction fees and elimination of bank charges.
In traditional business dealings, middlemen like banks, brokers, and agents typically charge varying fees when you buy things or sell things online, or when you conduct transactions electronically. And let's face it, these fees can be annoying. But since cryptocurrency transactions are one-to-one dealings that occur on a peer-to-peer network structure, it means that the middlemen are taken out of the equation. So you now know who exactly you're conducting a one-to-one transaction with. And most importantly, it means that the transaction fees are either greatly reduced or completely eliminated. Now bear in mind though that if you use a third-party app or service like Luno or Patricia to maintain a cryptocurrency wallet, there will still be some small external fees. But those fees will still be much lower than the fees charged with traditional systems.
More secure transactions.
With all traditional systems, sometimes your bank information becomes available to certain third parties when you perform certain transactions. For example, in the United States, when you give a merchant your credit card to make a payment, they have access to your full credit line. Plus, when you do perform transactions, your transactions are recorded under your transaction history by your bank or your financial institution. And that isn't exactly ideal if you're the kind of person who doesn't want your financial transactions to be recorded or stored. You see, while credit cards operate on what is known as a pull system, cryptocurrency operates on what is known as a push system, meaning that when you, the cryptocurrency holder who is making a payment or doing a transfer, you only push out the information that is relevant to that specific transaction. No other information is sent out, thereby making you less prone to fraud or identity theft.
Low transaction fees for international payments.
Traditional wire transfers and international purchases usually attract certain fees and charges. But since cryptocurrency transactions have no intermediary institutions or governments to pass through, the costs of transactions between a user in one country and a user in another country are kept very low. And this is especially beneficial to frequent international travelers, because now no longer do you need to travel with lots of physical cash, but also you don't need to worry about high fees or charges when you're converting some of your cryptocurrency into the local currency at your destination.
Cryptocurrency is accessible to everyone.
Anyone with internet, a smartphone, or a computer can send and receive money or cryptocurrency. And this is especially beneficial to the unbanked members of society. These are people who don't have access to traditional banking systems or methods, but at least they have the internet, or they have a smartphone at least. And this applies to many people in most countries of the world.
Easy transactions.
With traditional systems, sometimes there's fees, there's paperwork, there's legalese, all because you want to buy batteries on Amazon or send money to your cousin abroad. Hectic, right? But with cryptocurrency, now a lot of that is in the past. Aside from whatever cryptocurrency app or service you use to maintain your cryptocurrency wallet, now you're dealing directly with the person that you're conducting a transaction with. One-on-one on a peer-to-peer network structure that makes for smoother transactions and more accountable interactions between both parties.
Fast and immediate transactions.
Because cryptocurrency is a decentralized system, there are no third-party approvals needed for transactions to be rendered successful. Therefore, cryptocurrency transactions are incredibly quick and in many cases instantaneous. And there you have it, guys, some of the advantages of keeping your money in cryptocurrency. Now, if you're a big cryptocurrency person, you're an advocate of it, then please let me know in the comment section below which cryptocurrency is your favorite and what app you use to maintain your cryptocurrency wallet. Okay? Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and like it by clicking on the like button just underneath. I would really appreciate it. And feel free to subscribe to my channel as well if you're into videos on personal finance, saving, and investing. Feel free to look around as well and have a look at some of my other videos. You'll probably find a few that you'd enjoy. And lastly, please share this video with anyone that you think may enjoy or benefit from what was said here today. Thanks once again for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one. Take care.